Alright YouTube, that's it. I'm done for the day. Listen, in this video, it's a haircut tutorial, alright? But right now, there's a video coming out that's probably gonna be out around like Friday or something like that. Saturday, Friday, but think more Friday than anything, alright? We got Wavy Kid Kev at the house editing right now. Kev, what it's looking like?
I got the first 30 seconds done, you know what I'm saying?
Kev!
What?
For real?
Yeah, man, what you mean?
Really? Bro, you been there all day long. You started in the morning.
Bro, stuff like this take time,
Come
man.
on,
Come on, man. Act like you know.
30 seconds!
Yes. Yo, what are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Lord have mercy. Get up, Kev.
What did you bring me here for, man?
Because I need to talk to you face to face, Kev. We gotta get this done.
I got the intro done.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Man, I ain't never had nothing for Jesus again.
Where you get your beats?
Alright YouTube, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is you want to comb through the hair, lift the hair off the scalp. That way it makes it easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blade. Also, by it being a waiver, you're actually making your client feel at ease by combing in the right direction. You know what I mean? They're gonna tell you if you're combing in the wrong direction. So by just combing in the right direction, kind of puts your client at ease, like, okay, as long as he combing in the right direction, he's gonna cut that way, all right? So it's just bringing comfort to your client as well. So now that the hair is lifted up, it's easier for the hair to feed through the teeth of the blade. So I'm gonna use my Andis cordless masters with the 2 guard on with the lever fully closed and go the same direction as I combed. And also with his beard, he wanted to take it down to the same length. Next, it's time to set in your bald line using my Babyliss FX. Now I'm gonna keep this bald line as low as possible because my client wanted a low taper and he didn't want his fade too high. So I'm gonna take more from the beard than anything. He also wanted a faded beard, so whatever I do to the top, I'm gonna also do to the bottom. Next, using my Stylecraft Instincts with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a half an inch. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really going up too high because I want to keep this fade as low as possible. And remember what I said, what I do to the top, I do to the bottom. Switching over to the 1 guard with the lever open, I'm going up about that same width, but this time I'm scooping out, all right? I'm trying to actually blend into the hair instead of making a harsh guideline. So scooping out is the way to go. Now going back down, getting my 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now, majority of the time, you're gonna be using your corners. This is a small area, so you don't wanna use that full blade, all right? Especially because by it being in a small area, you don't wanna focus on that other side of that blade. That's why I suggest use the corners at all times. So sometimes the zero guard close doesn't really get everything that you need. So I always like to go back with my lever open and just kind of do some detail work. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to use your corners the entire time. Alright, after you finish setting your guidelines, you take out your guidelines. Now it's time to detail your work. Alright, this is what separates you from being just an average barber. How well you can fine tune your tapers and just take it to that next level. What I like to do is I like to utilize the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't see just head on. Really anything that gives you a different perspective. You could even use your phone. So I like to just go in, use corner work those areas in those bulk areas where I see a lot of hair cluttered together. I even like to go with the grain. I just like to do things differently than just, you know, setting in the guidelines and taking the using the flick out motion. So, and as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. The only difference is you got a lot more room to work with. Now when doing the front line, I always like to prep my lines before I actually line my client up. Alright, the way I do this is I use a guard size lower than what I put on top. So right now I got the zero guard on with the lever fully open and I'm just taking down that front line. I'm gonna also do it behind my client's ear. I'm gonna use my Tresemme holding spray to spray the front line as well, blow dry, and then that's when I go ahead and line my client up. Lastly, I'm gonna lay down the hair using the 360 Jeezy Soft V1 brush. You can pick it up at www.360jeezy.com and get your waivers right. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like
You thought I was feeling you?
YouTube. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you see in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.